Hello guys, welcome to Meka School. Today we are going to solve a very interesting math problem. The problem is 4 divided 4 divided 4 divided 4. Then what is the value of that term? I am going to solve now. First of all, rewrite that question. 4 divide 4 divide 4 divide 4. Now 4 divide 4, that means 1, and 4 divide 4, that means 1. So 1 divide 1, and the answer is 1. So many people do that math in that way. This is the wrong procedure. Okay, now we should follow a specific procedure. We know that PEMDAS, P means parenthesis, E means exponential, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So first of all, we should do first that term. Okay, so 4 divide 4 equal 1, divide 4 divided 4. Now for that term we can use KCF. What does it mean, KCF? K means keep the first fraction same, so 1 should be same. C means change division into multiplication, so division into multiplication. And F means flip the second fraction, so here second fraction is 4, so if we flip that, so it will be 1 by 4, so divide 4. Now 1 times 1 by 4, that means 1 by 4 divide 4. Similarly, we should use KCF in that term, then we will get 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. The answer will be 1 by 16, and this is our desired answer.